Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm at the car show with Swap Meet out here in Long Island, New York. The first one of the season. I'm here with my friend Mike. He has this beautiful 1942 Ford pickup that we're going to talk about. And Mike made it into a rat rod, so there's so many different options. I mean, even the beautiful $30,000 paint job is off the hook. You guys got to see this car. The first thing, please like my channel and subscribe to it. Please leave comments down below about this amazing truck. And also, please hit the bell notification because we're going to have so many more videos coming up from today. So guys, thank you so much.
Make sure you hit it.
Hit it.
All right.
So Mike, why don't you tell us about your beautiful truck here?
So this truck was inherited by myself. My dad passed away. And, you know, it's a 1942 Ford pickup. It didn't look like this when I got it. It was all black, patinaed, you know, a little rusted. Motor wasn't done, didn't start. So I threw a battery in it, flipped the switch, and the thing started right up. Once I got it running, then I went, I went back to the shop. I asked the guy what it's gonna get to get rolling, and he started helping me out. And it was a long process, you know.
So did your dad start the process of it, and then you finished it?
Yeah. Really all he did was put gas in it, if that makes any sense. He just drove it as is, and then once I inherited it, I just took it over, painted it. I put wood in the back over here.
So guys, let me show the wood in the bed here. I mean, it's this beautiful touch to a wood bed with the stainless rails here as well. So you have the
Rhino spray paint.
Rhino spray paint. What I love about here, Lionheart.
Yeah, that was my dad's
Dad.
name.
And if you look here, Ryan Jr. from Mike Jr., which is pretty awesome. Why don't you tell us about, Mike, you offer the interior, what we have inside the car?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so this is how it was. That's pretty raw.
Guys, it's a total rat rod.
It's a lot of fun driving when you get up here. You know, took a 65-mile-an-hour run up here. It was nice. It's like riding a motorcycle in this truck. So if you ever rode a motorcycle, it's the same kind of feeling.
So guys, they came from Brooklyn. Brooklyn, like you said, is 65 miles from here, down the Bell Parkway, onto Sunrise Highway, north up Nichols Road to where we are right now at the car show Swap Meet, and they had a great time coming here. They couldn't drive really quick because they came with 4 other people with these most amazing cars to our left. But why don't you tell us about the motor? What kind of motor you have? I see you have Chevy power.
The motor's a 350 Chevy small block. Did little work to it. You know, the guy put a carburetor, nice. It runs on. It's got brand new headers. You know, the motor. He painted it over. I put a dress kit on it. Right. I don't know too much about it, but what he did, he said that he got me. I could smoke the tires. So I'm ready to do that too.
And guys, how much horsepower do you know?
It's got to have like at least 300 horsepower.
Okay, so the truck is for sale. Okay, Mike wants to sell the truck.
Yeah.
So Mike, why don't you give them your information, your
right.
phone number?
No problem. My name is Mike. It's 347-489-9953, and that's my cell phone. You can call me anytime. I'm open up to any prices you want to throw at me, and we'll see. We can talk from there. If you guys are available anytime, just give me a call.
So yeah, definitely call about this beautiful truck. You guys are gonna see the customization on this truck is absolutely amazing. You have a beautiful Chevy motor here. It's something a 1942 Ford, pickup. So guys, please, like I said, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. More videos are coming up of beautiful trucks like Mike's, as well as leave those comments down below and call him direct. Guys, thank you so much, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Have a good day.